learners, today we're going to learn about reflexive pronouns. Read the sentences. He hurt himself while playing. They enjoyed themselves at the beach. In these sentences, the object of the verb is the same person as the subject of the verb. He and himself refer to the same person in the first sentence. They and themselves are the same persons in the second. A reflexive pronoun refers back to a subject. There are 8 reflexive pronouns. I, myself, you, yourself, he, himself, she, herself, it, itself, they, themselves, we, ourselves, and you all, yourselves. So let's solve an exercise to see application based on this.